Good day, mga kababayan ko. I'm talking about websites. Marami kasi ako mga kaibigan, mga kapatid na, I'm not good at it, but marami yan sila. Pero, at the end of the day, there's a conundrum of what am I talking about? What is true? What is not? What is a joke? What is whatever? Ang sundan lang ninyo ang account na Rudy Roa Duterte. Ganun lang ho kasimple. Walang presidente, walang ganun. Simply Rudy Roa Duterte. That's my soul. That's me. Yun ang pangalan ko hanggang kamatayan.